Hey guys, Chung Dha here. So we are now at the Boya stand, and here we have two really interesting items. These are transmitters. Actually, I don't know which model number it is. It's the BY-WM4 Pro. So these are really small transmitters. You can actually pair up two transmitters with a single receiver, and really nicely, yeah, they are nice and compact. So what is also quite different comparing this to like what you might think of that these be compared to the like Rode Wireless Go, these actually still uses a battery, so you can actually replace it with a AAA battery, and it goes for way more hours than those. So this they said like 30 hours or so that is crazy, the amount of time. And also you can of course replace it with any AAAs you can buy at any store, so it makes it easier than having to like put a or connect it with like a power bank, which makes it really much bigger than or need to buy like extra units you just have to replace. So this is way better with a AAA battery. There is no built-in microphone, that's the only one thing, but of course you can clip it with like a lavalier. There's a line out and a headphone out, so you can also monitor the sound through here if you don't have like a monitor or like a headphone jack on your camera. And on the transmitter there is a line in and a separate microphone jack, so you could yeah, connect it to like proper musical instruments or like any sound device coming out, and or with a proper microphone or a lavalier. Overall, pairing up is super easy. Just hold down the pair buttons when you have both turned on, and that would make it able to pair with each other without pairing with like any other of the same units. And overall, it's super light. The maximum distance is about 50 meters, which is enough if you are doing quite a lot of the traveling or you're filming yourself or vlogging with this. But the main thing of these are the time or the hours that it can yeah, go on with, and also the easy way to replace the batteries. So yeah, you can check them out. There'll be a link in the description below where you can find these. And if you want to see more upcoming videos, please hit that subscribe button here below. Also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.